Hello guys, today unboxing the parcel. I got a parcel. It's a straight razor Parker, Swedish steel. Blade it's not bad condition and I think half grounded. Not bad condition, the handle is quite good, but it's sharpened, long time sharpened I think. It's not as a new, and little bit rust on the tank and on the tail, but it's not a big problem. Tail, tank, the more important the blade. But blade it's not, it doesn't have rust. It's quite good. Swedish steel. Another, it's I think it's not original bag. It's Towa T, real Japanese hollow ground. Oh, in an excellent condition. I think it's maybe one time or I don't know, several times it sharpened, but in an excellent condition. Engraved on a blade, Towa T. I don't know, you see or not. Excellent. Also half grounded, I think, blade, and looks as new. It's in excellent condition. And next is a sunshine. I think this box it's not on this scissors. It's a Naruto. Unbelievable scissors. In very good condition. We may check about sharpening, how it's sharpened. It's about 3 or 4 part blade cut the plastic. It's very thin plastic. Not cut all, so need sharpen, but it's quite good sharpened, quite good. But I will do it. I will sharpen. Into the pouch. And very interesting box. It's a sharpening tool, sharpening machine. It's not machine, it's like tool for sharpening hairdressing or maybe another scissors. It looks brand new, old stock, but some stains, but it's not a big problem. Unfortunately, in Japanese, I need to translate. I don't know, maybe he make this tool and many how to use and how about blades and about everything. It's interesting. It's 16 lists the instruction. And tool, it looks new. This tool looks new. Very interesting tool. It's two main parts. So this is the angles. You may put an angle which you choose, which you need, and then put this, and next you may put a stone and keep an angle and put scissors like this. I think you may open scissors, one blade sharpen, or you may, if not open, you may both blade. Yes, it keep the angle. Oh my God, you may see scissors, and you sharpen like this. Just I put water stone, for example, put a water and this should be, yes, and sharpen. This tool keep an angle, exactly angle. Maybe I need put oil for better sharpening, more easier. I didn't use yet. I don't know if I will use or not. So I got a bench grinder from Wolf Constructions, and Okami Gold for sharpening scissors, hairdressing scissors especially. So I think I will use this tool. For unfortunately, this tool only for wedged blade of scissors, not for convex blade. Only you may keep an angle, exactly one angle, and sharpen. And then you may change stones again, change stone, put a water, and that's all. And then you open scissors, and you may do another side on a stone. It may be again. Two parts. I think it's special wood. It's very hard wood. It's not problem for. So interesting label. I think it's new, brand new old stock. Very interesting tool. I don't know if I will use. I think I will not use. I don't know. Okay, thank you for watching. See you. Bye.